Good evening to one and all. This is Uday and you are watching your favorite channel, Devoted Classes. And once more, you are most welcome into Devoted Classes. I am present with one more video on transformation, that is transformation part 3. Today we learn how to change degree. Degree change. You know degree, what is degree? Simply degree here means the degrees of the adjectives. You know adjectives have 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Positive, comparative and superlative. For this, let me tell you that if you want detailed knowledge of the part speech, you watch my videos on parts of speech, kinds of adjectives. Thereby I have told you, I have explained everything in detail, kinds of the adjective. We have degrees. Okay, you see my previous videos, that will help you so much in understanding this chapter. In the exam, simply we have degree change, meaning sometimes from positive to comparative, and from comparative to positive, from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to positive, positive to comparative. Many more ways the similar question is asked. So today I am taking very simple, very easy task on the degree change, that is positive into comparative. Let me tell you positive degree, what is positive degree? Suppose I say good. This is positive. I say happy. I say happy. This is what? Positive. Positive. Again comparative degree is something like better and best. Sorry, better and happier. HAPPIER. Again we have third degree is superlative. Superlative. Superlative degree is what? Something like C. Something like best. Best. Happiest. So many ways we have good, better, best. Good is positive, better is comparative, best is superlative. Happy, positive, happier, comparative, happiest, superlative. Okay. Small, smaller, smallest. Small is positive, smaller, comparative, smallest, superlative. Sad, sadder, sad is positive, sadder, comparative, saddest, superlative. Ugly, uglier, ugliest. Ugly, positive, uglier, comparative, ugliest, superlative. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, beautiful, positive, more beautiful, comparative, most beautiful, superlative. Clear? These way we have the 3 degrees. Okay? So have in mind the degrees and then know how to change the positive into comparative. Our topic is how to change from positive into comparative. Clear? Let's take the example. Note down. Let the sentences like this. Suppose I am as good as he. I am as good as he. This is, you know, whatever degree, good is positive degree. You have to change into comparative. You have to change into comparative. Meaning, good must into better. Good into better. Clear? Very simple. Firstly, we have the interchange of this word and this word. Meaning, the word that is compared is the first word. Second word, to whom it is compared. Second word, meaning first subject and second subject. Clear? Okay? So, we interchange. So, what we do? I am as good as he. So, carry he to this side. He to this side. Clear? Since you have to change it into comparative, so good into better. So place of the write here better. So he better. But see, this is positive. The sentence is positive. So comparative degree will be negative. The rule is what? The rule is if the given sentence is positive, the change is negative. If the given sentence is negative, the change is positive. So what we do? He is not better. He is not better. See, there is affirmative sentence. So it will be negative. The change is negative. So he is not better than. Always remember that common degree is followed by than. So he is not better than I. Yes, done. He is not better than I. Clear? This is the correct sense. This was what? Positive into comparative. Positive into comparative. Clear? This is the first sentence. Now note down. I am taking the second sentence. Let's take the second sentence. The second sentence is something like Geeta is not so good as Rita. Geeta is not so good as Rita. This is negative. See, the positive degree is given negative. Now you have to change it to comparative. What will be done? Interchange these words. Second subject must come here. Give Rita. Rita simply not has come here, so not will be removed. It will be positive. This is negative, so the change sentence must be affirmative. It is negative. So Rita is good into better. Is better than Geeta. Then very simple. Rita is better than Geeta. Clear? See, this is negative, so it is positive. It is negative, it is affirmative. If it is affirmative, it is negative. Done? Very simple. Can do easily? Okay, let me take the example. Note down. Third example. Ramesh is wiser than Suresh. Ramesh is wiser than Suresh. This is comparative. You have to change it to positive. Meaning change into positive. Clear? Very simple. Since this is affirmative, so change sentence will be negative. So Suresh is second subject and Ramesh is the first subject. Meaning this is the word. This is the first word. This is the second word. Or you can say this is the first term. This is the second term. In the first term, you have this is the person to whom which is compared. That is to be compared. And whom to be compared? This is the second. So Suresh come this side, bring Suresh this side. So Suresh is not. See, this is positive, so negative. Suresh is not so wise or as wise. So wise, right? Wiser का positive क्या होगा? Wise होगा. Suresh is not so wise as this is Ramesh. So Ramesh. So done. Suresh is not so wise as Ramesh. Keep in mind, since it is what do you say? Since it is what? It is affirmative, so I made it negative. Clear? Done? Very simple. Can be done easily. Okay? Fine. Done? Very good. So that's all. Now ready for the homework. I am giving you 5 sentences to change the degree. Note down. Done. Homework. SW. First, what you do? I will write what you do. I am as busy as he into comparative. You have to change into comparative. Second sentence. Rohan is better, not better, happier. Happier than Mohan. Rohan is happier than Mohan. This is positive. You change into positive. Third sentence. He is taller than she. Change into positive. Next, fourth sentence. I am not so weak as you into comparative. You have to take into comparative. So fourth sentence. Now fifth sentence. Fifth sentence I am writing here, so that it is clear because there is a problem. Fifth sentence. This is comparative. See, this is comparative. Fifth sentence. I am as fat as he. You see, you have to change into comparative. Comparative. Fine. So this is the homework of today. We have 5 sentences. First sentence, I am as busy as he, comparative. You will change into comparative. Second, Rohan is happier than Mohan, positive degree. Again, he is taller than she, positive degree. I am not so weak as you, comparative degree. And again, fifth one is I am as fat as he, comparative degree. Done? So, do this at home, practice more and more. Grammar is totally just like maths. So, practice more and more. Hope that you like my video, especially the students of RAV Public School, St. Xavier Senior Secondary School and Radiant School, that is Radiant Central Children Academy, Jalalpur, any public school, any CBSE board school. If you watch my video, you just definitely you like it, like, share and comment. Firstly subscribe, firstly watch my video. Simply firstly subscribe my channel, then watch my video and then like, share and comment. So that's enough for today. Hope that you will practice more and more until I make and upload some other video. You keep on practicing more and more, enjoying your life, and being happy. Thank you very much for being with me. Now, bye bye. See you. Take care.